Ryan with Hatching Time, and I'm going to show you how to build a Goose duck plucker today. So as you can see here, these are the parts that you're going to receive in the box. You have your plastic drum, your rotating disc, your feather chute, the motor, 6 screws, 1 middle bolt, and then your plucking fingers. So I've gone ahead and put the fingers in already. So as you can see here, there's one left. So to save time, I'm just going to show you the last one. You're going to put it through and then rotate up and down until it's through. Now you might need a little more force. Up and down until it's in. Now some people will put oil on it, some people will heat it a little bit. It's basically your preference, but you just want to make sure that all the plucking fingers are in there, secure and snug. So the next step, we're going to place the plastic drum onto the motor, and then place the feather chute inside and let it hang just like that. When we put the screws in, it'll bolt the feather chute down. So you're going to come in here, match up the screws with the holes, and then go around the perimeter. Now you're going to insert the rotating disc along the bottom, and as you can see here, the motor has a knob going this way. You want to make sure on the disc the injection is fitting the same way. So I'm going to tilt it like this, rock it in sideways, and then come back, find the middle, and then you'll feel it slide in. Next, put your bolt in the middle, find the hole, and then finish by screwing it in. And plug her in and turn her on.